As long as your life is just a series of decisions, we make choices, we live and learn. Now I'm standing at a crossroad, and I must choose which way to turn. Down to my road lies all the world can offer. All its power, its wealth and fame. Down the other, just a man with nail scars in his hands, but there is mercy in his eyes, and there is power in his name. I choose Jesus, I choose Jesus, without a song it's my guitar. I choose Jesus, not for miracles, but for loving me, not for Bethlehem, but for Calvary, not for a day, but for eternity. I choose Jesus. All my life I see the sea, a reason I was captain of my soul. There was no need for a Savior. I could live on my own. Their hymns speak the languages of compassion, words of healings for broken lives. When we nailed him to the tree, his love included me. Now was calling me to follow and to be